Hey everybody, welcome back. So once again we have reached that unfortunate time of the year here in the Valley of the Sun where I have now decided that it's just too damn hot outside to do much anything. So I am going to have to get my canopy down, and I got a nice big 11 by 15 silver tarp I'm going to put over the Jeep, so when monsoon season comes I can hopefully keep it from filling up with water. And I got the windows cracked and my tarp clips out, and I'm gonna get this done. Okay, there we go. That fought with me an inordinate amount. Whoever said those canopies are easy up, easy down never did it in 110-degree direct sun, because that makes anything difficult. So that's an 11 by 15 tarp, and I have more pulled down on the passenger side because the sun stays on that side and the other side's in shade almost all the time. And I got all wheel covers on it. I ran out of cord. I have it tied down in 12 points. 2 front, 2 back, 2 sides, and all 4 corners. And we'll see how it survives the first decent wind. And if it needs more, I'll put more on it, but I'm out of cord. I also have all 4 on this side using tarp clips. Here, let me show you. Using tarp clips instead of the grommets, in case I need to get into the vehicle. I can undo the 4 tarp clips on this side, fold the tarp over a little bit. I really like these tarp clips with the little turn thing on it. I have others that have a little wedge slider. These that have the turn on it, they hold much better. And I'm far down enough in the back to protect just about everything back here, I think. The new taillights, most of the paint. I mean, I can't get everything, but... And then this side is covered all the way down to the rock slider bars. So anyway, that really sucked. But now it's time to go inside and come back out as soon as it doesn't get much over 90. And we'll keep going on it. I'm pretty much done with the Jeep. I have a vehicle inside that shed that's going to be my next project. And sadly enough, when that one in there is done, and all I can really do, it's a survivor, all I can really do is get it running and drivable and drive it around a bit, you know, enjoy some memories of it from when I was a kid. And then I think it's probably going to get sold, because it's just, right now in my life, it's just too valuable for me to keep. I have too many other things I want to get onto and not enough money to do it, and that's going to provide me a lot of money for other projects. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed me struggling out here in the 110-degree sun, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.